My name is Ken Whitaker, and I'm going to be talking about leading projects with quality. It's about 40 minutes, 45-minute presentation, and I prefer that this be as interactive as possible, so the closer you sit up front, the more often I'm going to call you. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm the managing director of a company called Leading Software, Maniacs. So the first one is effectively managing your time. And time is precious, as you all know, and I tend to look at the type of jobs that you all do, that we all do, in terms of three categories: planning, process, and people, like orientation. In terms of planning, this is where you actually get involved with preparing a roadmap, identifying the vision and mission, tracking budgets, unfortunately, also collaborating on setting direction with others, including your team and others that you work with. Also allocating resources for future projects, and of course evaluating competition and trends, which is very important. On the process side, how many of you all are right now in a more agile way of getting products out? Great. Does it work well for you? You participate in those, or you've seen it from a distance?
No, I participate.
Okay. Yeah. And Agile is perfect for small teams, too. What's interesting is Agile is also perfect if you're a one-man shop, believe it or not. So, okay. So you want to simplify the process used for development, analyze project risks on a daily basis if possible. Also, very importantly, to identify and mitigate risks. Remove process bureaucracy from the team. I joined a company way back where I led the developers, and they were very proud to show me a 400-page process book. And in talking to the development teams, I was interested to know, well, how is that working? To a T, everyone was saying, I hate it, I don't understand it, I do it my own way anyway. So all that work going into process can really not work very well. Are any of you all very process bureaucratically based? So that means yes. Okay. And then communicate. The whole idea of making sure you're openly communicating and communicating frequently. It's amazing how we forget that, especially when we're in our office filling out forms, reports, attending meetings, how we forget to actually openly go out and proactively communicate. And listen too. On the people-oriented things, foster transparency and timely feedback on performance. Ensure work and your roles support the project needs and are just not there because that's your job, but they have no benefit for the project. Track the team's ability to get to doneness. For those of you that aren't from the South, that's how we spell done.